My bag is missing.
Did you check the belt?
I can't find my suitcase.
Let's ask the staff.
Excuse me, my luggage is lost.
Can you help us?
What color is your bag?
It's black with a tag.
I filled the lost form.
Good, they will call soon.
I feel worried.
Don't worry, they usually find it.
How long will it take?
Maybe 1 or 2 days.
I need clothes now.
Let's buy a few things.
Will they deliver my bag?
Yes, to your hotel.
I lost my passport too.
Oh no, go to the embassy.
We need a taxi.
Let's go to the taxi stand.
Excuse me, is this line for taxis?
Yes, let's wait here.
How much to the city center?
The driver said $30.
Can you take us to the hotel?
Yes, here's the address.
Do you take card?
Yes, or you can pay cash.
The taxi is small.
It's fine, just 2 bags.
The driver is friendly.
Yes, he speaks English well.
How long is the ride?
Around 40 minutes.
Look, the city lights.
Beautiful, I feel excited.
We arrived at last.
Yes, let's check in.
My card is not working.
Try again, maybe chip error.
It says declined.
Do you have another card?
I only have cash.
That's okay, use it.
Sorry, I don't have small change.
Maybe they can give change.
The machine is broken.
Let's pay at the counter.
They don't take foreign cards.
We should exchange money.
The waiter looks upset.
Just explain the problem calmly.
Finally, it worked.
Good, now we can relax.
That was stressful.
Yes, but we solved it.
I'll carry more cash next time.
Smart idea, always safer.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit here.
Where does this train go?
To the main station.
Do we need tickets now?
Yes, let's buy online.
Which platform is ours?
Platform 3 over there.
I like the window seat.
Good, I'll sit beside you.
How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Do they sell food here?
Yes, I saw a snack cart.
I want coffee.
I'll get tea for me.
Look at the countryside.
It's very green and calm.
Do we change trains?
No, it's a direct one.
This train is fast.
Yes, smoother than the bus.
I hear the ticket checker.
Show your ticket ready.
I can't find mine.
Check your jacket pocket.
Found it, thank you.
Good, I felt worried.
Are we close now?
Yes, just 10 more minutes.
I see the city buildings.
That means we arrive soon.
Let's pack our things.
Yes, don't forget your bag.
We reached the station.
Great, let's get off carefully.
That was a nice ride.
Yes, I enjoyed the view.
Shall we take a taxi now?
Yes, the exit is this way.
I need local money.
Let's find an exchange counter.
Do they take dollars?
Yes, they changed to local cash.
What is the rate today?
It says $1 equals 80.
That seems fair.
Yes, let's change now.
How much should I change?
Maybe $200 for now.
I got many notes.
Keep them in your wallet.
Do they accept coins?
No, only notes.
I feel safer with cash.
Me too, for small shops.
Where can we use cards?
Mostly in hotels and malls.
Okay, cash for daily things.
Yes, that works well.
I want to buy a gift.
For who?
For my sister.
What is she like?
She likes jewelry.
Let's check this shop.
This necklace is pretty.
Yes, and not too expensive.
Do they wrap it?
Yes, free gift wrap.
I'll take this one.
Good choice.
Do you accept card?
Yes, here's the machine.
Here's my card.
Payment done easy.
I hope she likes it.
She will. It's lovely.
I feel happy now.
Yes, gift shopping is fun.
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10.
Let's go now.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you want eggs?
Yes, scrambled, please.
I'll take toast.
And I'll take fruit.
Coffee or?
Coffee for me.
I'll take orange juice.
Good choice, fresh.
The food looks good.
Yes, nice buffet.
Try the pancakes.
Sweet and soft.
I feel full now.
Same, let's rest after.
Hotel breakfast is nice.
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Do you have milk allergy?
Yes, I can't drink milk.
Can you eat cheese?
No, I avoid dairy.
What about butter?
Only dairy-free butter.
Let's ask the waiter.
Yes, better to check.
Excuse me, is this dairy-free?
They said yes, it's safe.
Good, you can eat it.
Thanks for helping.
Do you carry medicine?
Yes, just in case.
I'll remind you always.
That's kind of you.
We must read labels.
Yes, very important.
You manage it well.
Thanks, I stay careful.
Can we order a taxi here?
Yes, ask at reception.
Excuse me, we need a taxi.
To the city center, please.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Should we wait outside?
Yes, near the entrance.
The taxi is here.
Great, let's get in.
Can you take us to the museum?
Yes, here's the address.
Do you know the price?
Around $15.
That's not bad.
Yes, cheaper than the airport taxi.
The car is clean.
Yes, very comfortable.
We reached quickly.
Let's pay and thank him.
This place is beautiful.
Yes, look at the old buildings.
Do you want photos?
Yes, take one of me.
Let's walk to the park.
Good idea, fresh air.
Look, street performers.
Fun to watch.
Should we take a tour bus?
Yes, we can see more.
The guide speaks English well.
That helps a lot.
I like the river view.
Yes, it's peaceful.
Do you want to visit shops?
Yes, after the park.
Let's buy water first.
Good, I'm thirsty.
Sightseeing makes me happy.
Same, I enjoy exploring.
This shop looks nice.
Let's go inside.
Do you like this dress?
Yes, but it's too big.
Can we try sizes?
Let's ask the staff.
How much is this shirt?
$20 only.
That's cheap.
Yes, I'll buy it.
Do they take cards?
Yes, and also cash.
I want some souvenirs.
Let's check the corner shelf.
These magnets are cute.
Yes, small and easy to carry.
Should we bargain here?
No, fixed price.
Shopping was fun today.
Yes, we got nice things.
Excuse me, where is the station?
It's straight, then left.
Is it far?
No, just 5 minutes.
Can we walk there?
Yes, it's close.
Where is the nearest ATM?
Over there, near the bank.
How do we go to the museum?
Take bus number 10.
Where is the pharmacy?
On the next street.
Do you know this address?
Yes, 2 blocks ahead.
Which way is the park?
Right turn, then straight.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
People here are very kind.
Yes, always ready to help.
Hello, we have a booking.
Yes, under my name.
Do you need our passports?
Yes, here they are.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10.
How many nights?
3 nights, please.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, here's the password.
What time is checkout?
At 12 noon.
Do you have a map?
Yes, here's one.
Can we get 2 keys?
Sure, here you go.
Where is the elevator?
Down the hall on the right.
The staff is friendly.
Yes, good service here.
We want to check out.
Yes, room 402.
Did you enjoy the stay?
Yes, it was comfortable.
Any extra charges?
No, just the room.
Can we leave bags here?
Yes, free luggage storage.
I will pay by card.
Okay, here's the bill.
Can you call a taxi?
Yes, it will arrive soon.
Thank you for the help.
Have a safe trip.
I like this hotel.
Me too, very clean.
Maybe we stay again.
Yes, good choice for next time.
Goodbye, hotel staff.
Goodbye, thank you.
Can we have a table for 2?
Yes, by the window please.
Can I see the menu?
Here it is, thank you.
What do you recommend?
The pasta looks good.
I want chicken soup.
I'll take grilled fish.
Do you want salad?
Yes, with no cheese.
What drink do you want?
Just water, please.
I'll order juice.
Orange or apple.
Orange, please.
Good choice.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
Yes, we'll have these dishes.
The food smells nice.
Yes, can't wait to eat.
This soup is tasty.
My fish is fresh too.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, maybe ice cream.
I'll share with you.
Perfect, small size.
Can we have the bill?
Yes, thank you.
Service was fast.
Yes, very good restaurant.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, let's go inside.
What will you order?
A latte, please.
I'll take cappuccino.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
I'll take 1 spoon.
Should we sit upstairs?
Yes, more quiet there.
The coffee smells strong.
Yes, very fresh.
Do you like cakes?
Yes, I'll try chocolate.
I want a croissant.
Nice, good with coffee.
How much was it?
Only $5.
That's cheap.
Yes, not bad here.
How much is this bag?
It's $25.
Too expensive.
Do you want a smaller one?
How much is this hat?
$10 only.
That's better.
Yes, good price.
Should we buy it?
Yes, let's take 2.
Which bus goes to the mall?
Bus number 12.
Where is the stop?
Across the street.
How much is the fare?
$2 each.
Do we pay cash?
Yes, to the driver.
The bus is crowded.
Let's stand near the door.
How long to the mall?
About 15 minutes.
Should we press the bell?
Yes, our stop is next.
Let's get off here.
Careful, step down.
That was easy.
Yes, buses are cheap.
I like bus travel.
Same, you see the city.
Where can we buy tickets?
At that counter.
1 ticket to London, please.
Make it 2.
How much is it?
$50 each.
Do you want return tickets?
Yes, better and cheaper.
What time is the train?
At 3:30 p.m.
Which platform is it?
Platform 5.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, they take it.
Tickets are printed now.
Keep them safe.
Should we wait in the hall?
Yes, less crowded there.
Let's check the board again.
Good to be sure.
This market is busy.
Yes, many people today.
Look at those fruits.
Fresh and colorful.
How much for these apples?
$3 a kilo.
That's fair.
Let's take 2 kilos.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, sweet and soft.
I want some bread too.
The bakery is over there.
This cheese looks good.
Ask if it has milk.
The seller is kind.
Yes, very polite.
Should we buy souvenirs here?
Yes, they're cheaper.
I like market shopping.
Same, so much choice.